Are you looking to start your own business? Here are 5 things you need to make that happen. Let's start with the obvious. Money. Startup cash can come from private investors, grants, or loans. A lot of people even keep their full-time job to earn a living while getting their business off the ground. Number 2, a solid network. Having a network of clients, supporters, and experts is invaluable to starting a business. Your network is how you can find new clients and create word of mouth to generate cash flow. Number 3, time and patience. Time is important not only to land business, but to work on lead generation, such as writing proposals and grant applications. Patience is key because you may be waiting on your clients to set up a contract or pay their bills. Number 4, a plan for both business and marketing. A business plan is a formal document helping to identify what is needed to get started with your business. A marketing plan is a written strategy for how you will advertise your business and gain new clients. And number 5, a product or a service. There is no business without a product or service for sale. But ultimately, be excited about your idea because that makes putting in all the work come naturally. All right, time to go change.